Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your papa with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be doing a croissant and cheese sausage sandwich. Okay, it's like a breakfast, whatever you want to call it. You can eat it anytime, any day. So I'm gonna include the things you guys will be needing in this video, and I will put it right here, and then I will also enlarge it, so stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, and that's just on period. But first things first, go ahead and heat up your pan and get your stuff on that list, of course. And you can add extra stuff, of course you can. Okay, first things first, you get all your utensils and all the ingredients you need. Now I took out everything I needed, which was the croissant, cheese, and sausage. I prepared everything, and I just started heating up the pan after I finished doing that. Once I got the pan heated up, I actually got the butter to spray on the pan. I started toasting the croissants for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and I got my pan on high, so make sure you're watching the pan while you cooking it. The toasting your croissants, what you want to do is spray the pan and add your sausages. And as I was cooking the sausages, I actually added all-purpose seasoning. I added some on each side and then just kept flipping it and cooking it. So that's what I used the all-purpose seasoning for. All I did was just rub in the seasoning as I was cooking it. So after that's done, I actually took one piece of cheese, cut it into 4, and put cheese in the middle of each sausage and let that cook. And finally put the lid over it so the cheese can melt and let it sit. Now as that's sitting, I start prepping my sandwiches, which you can put any kind of condiments you want to, ketchup, mayonnaise, all that. I'm putting cheese and ketchup, and then I just took the croissant and rubbed it in, and then just started adding my sausages that's already heating up in the pan. Quick disclaimer, as you taking the sausages out, don't touch it because it could be hot. To me, I really be quick with it when I'm touching the sausages when I cook, so be careful. Now, after all them steps are done, you got you a nice little sandwich to eat, of course, period. You can cut it in half as I did, and you can see how nicely it looks in the inside with the cheese and the sausage, and it all just come together. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason. And I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed this video because I sure did making it. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done cooking and doing everything I had to do to eat, and that's just on period, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. So if you're watching me, why you ain't click that subscribe button yet? I'll wait. But anyways, so I just want to show you guys a little close-up because yeah, it's like a hamburger. Sausage, cheese, and I put ketchup. I usually add, like, if I eat this in the morning, I usually add jelly, but I didn't this time. I added ketchup. No. But I usually add jelly, but I didn't add jelly this time. I added ketchup, of course, but in the morning I mainly put jelly on it. It's giving me morning vibes, but it depends on what you want to put on your sandwich. Now throughout the video I did give you guys some tips. Now I use these tips because I got different tastes than you. But if you do try to cook this, go ahead and comment down below and tell me how did it come out, and it's just on period. And yeah, don't forget, subscribe, turn on that notification button, that's just on period. Now just doing me. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I don't even know how long it is. Period. But look at this one. It looks so nice. You know I'm about to smash. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out because I got other stuff to do, other videos to record, other things to do. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And tell me if you guys like the video and give me some tips and tricks that you guys want me to try out or videos you guys want to see me do. And I will do them very shortly, and that's just on period. Okay, so peace.